Welcome to Farmer Agriculture. During a hot summer day, what we want the most is coconut water because it is the best drink that recharges our brains and energizes our bodies. Coconut water is one of the most famous natural drinks worldwide, not only because of its savory taste but also because of its nutritious value. If you love coconut water, then you may want to know how these are prepared in mass production before you can get it on your table. So, let's talk about this in step by step to learn everything we need to know about harvesting and processing of coconuts. If you have not liked the video so far, then please do so. And subscribe to our channel to get notified of more similar videos. Let's begin. Seeding. Modern coconut water production starts with a close inspection of coconut seeds, which is their source. The most productive and illness-resistant coconut types for water yield and quality are often tested genetically and selected. After choosing seeds that are suitable for this purpose, the germination process is started. This involves preparing a space that will have well-drained soil and be a controlled environment for the seedlings. Advanced technologies make use of automatic climate control systems to adjust temperature, humidity, and light so that they are favorable for seeds to grow. Once the seeds have germinated, the seedlings are transplanted to a specific planting location. Modern techniques may include drone-guided farming methods for efficiency and precision in huge-scale farming areas. These precautions are required to create suitable seedling planting conditions for seeds to grow well. During the growing phase, all the precision agriculture procedures such as tracking and managing the health of the plants are used. It also includes soil and pest monitoring using drones and optimized fertilization based on soil analysis to minimize environmental damage and maximize growth. The applications of remote sensing technology, from satellites to drones, are very helpful in evaluating the development of coconut palms. This advanced technology can assess tree growth patterns, plant age, and other vital information required for the effective management of plantations. Through modern seeding and cultivation practices, coconut water producers can achieve the integrity and uniformity of their raw materials, ultimately leading to a successful production cycle. Harvesting. After the seeding, the coconuts generally take 9 to 12 months' time to fully grow. Still, farmers make sure the coconut is ready by hitting it with a finger and listening to its sound. The color of the coconut is also a good identification. Once the coconuts are ready, they are harvested these days with advanced machines. So, how are these coconuts harvested? The modern machines used these days usually come with grippers. These grippers or arms carefully hold the trunk of the coconut without damaging the trees. After holding it, the cutting blades of these machines cut and detach the coconuts while ensuring the tree is not damaged. These cutting blades are operated with an advanced algorithm that gives the machine great precision and efficiency in its work. Many modern machines have built-in sensors and cameras that not only allow the farmers to keep an eye on the trees, but these features also enable them to know about the overall health of the coconut trees, like their maturity, environmental conditions, and even the precise force required to cut the trunks. As the coconuts are cut, the machine stores them in the collection area from which they go to the sorting area. This sorting area is a special place for these machines that have specialized sensors in them. With the help of these sensors, the coconuts are sorted based on various factors, such as size, maturity, health, and the quality of the coconuts. After sorting, these coconuts are sent to different areas of the machine for different categories. Here, the coconuts are usually taken to these areas with the help of long conveyor belts or pneumatic tubes. Here comes dehusking first. For instance, think of a robot with specially designed tools. Spinning blades, air blasts, or rough surfaces might be needed to file off the tree's hard skin without damaging the fruit shell. The coconut husks are removed and the coconuts are subsequently screened and graded. This might consist of a trick or two. Identifying their weight would aid in the difference between younger, fresh ones and older, dried ones. Cameras, however, have a closer look, ensuring that the colors and texture fit the standards and there is no damage to the product. Lastly, relying on the data, the coconuts are supposed to take different routes. The best coconuts for coconut water now? These coconuts are collected and transported to the factories for further processing. What is your take on that? Do you think only the best coconuts are used for the water? Or, the rest should also be taken into account? Let us know in the comments. Also, like the video by hitting the like button. And, now let's move to the next step. Cleaning. As the coconuts reach the factories, they are thoroughly checked if the coconuts are clean enough, which they are not, normally. So, for this, they have a complete cleaning process in place. The coconuts pass through a conveyor belt which takes them to different cleaning machines one by one. These machines normally have pressure water jets and some may have additional brushes. These jets apply water pressure on the coconuts as they pass through the belt. This pressurized water ensures the coconuts are thoroughly cleaned, removing all the remaining dirt or leftover husk. After cleaning with water, additional machines are used for sanitizing these coconuts. For this purpose, either sanitizer liquids are used or UV light is made to fall on these fruits to kill all the bacteria or any pathogens. This thorough cleaning ensures these coconuts are clean enough to meet the national food hygiene standards. After washing and sanitization, the coconuts may pass through a drying stage to remove excess moisture. Advanced drying systems may utilize techniques such as air blowers or infrared drying to achieve rapid and efficient drying. After this extensive cleaning process, these coconuts are sent to an inspection area where they are once again monitored with cameras and sensors to ensure they are properly cleaned and not a shred of dirt is left on them or for defective coconuts. In case they find defective ones, then those coconuts are immediately rejected and the rest are sent to the next machines where they process further. Extracting water. Then, once the coconuts are cleaned, the next step is to get the coconut water. The work is done with special equipment. These machines comprise robotic arms and sharp tools to perform an impeccable opening of the coconuts. These robotic arms have sharp cutters that make holes into the coconuts. After the water is poured in, it is stored in trays. Not all coconuts are cut open with this method, though. Instead of taking the water out of it, they are packaged along with the water which is still inside. This is one of the most common methods in order to keep the coconut water fresh and natural. New machines are very intelligent and can do both things well. While machines are efficient in this process, human labor is also usually required there. Now that your water is collected or the coconuts are opened, the next step is to ensure and strain it again. Filters are used to see if any small pieces of the coconut husk are left in the water. This is what makes the water very clean and transparent. These machines are effective in filtering using special filters like ultrafilters. This makes us confident that the coconut water we sell is safe and of excellent quality. While all of this is going on, machines are there watching. They use sensors to check whether everything is in order. This ensures the coconut water is of good quality all the time. After everything is in place, the coconut water is placed in tanks or bottles. It also machines doing this part to make sure everything is clean and safe. With these devices, coconut water is made fast and safe, thus, it is now accessible to everyone. Packaging. Once the coconut milk is separated and prepared, it proceeds to the packaging stage. Undefined. First is the filling area where the coconut water is transferred out from processing tanks to filling machines. These automated machines fill containers accurately. These containers could be bottles or Tetra Paks, with copper water. Then the boxes will proceed to the wrapping machines. With these devices, the containers are mechanically sealed to ensure that the drinking water is fresh without any contamination. Following, the containers with labels are accumulated to the cartons or cases for future shipping. It is accomplished with packaging machinery by the use of carton sealers or case packers. Such automation effectively builds the container/s and packs them into the designated package units. It is packed in a suitable container where it is stored in a temperature-controlled warehouse left for distribution. Quality control checks are being carried out at different stages of packaging, which provides quality and safety assurance for the coconut water. Automated inspection systems are capable of apprehending any defects or abnormalities in the packaging process. With this approach, only the quality items will be available to consumers. Now, the coconut water is extracted with efficient processes and with hygienic conditions. The entire process makes sure the water is high quality and free from any impurities. These packaged coconuts or separately packaged water are then stored in the collection area and then distributed. And this is how this mouth-watering coconut water reaches the market where we buy them. Do you think this entire process is perfect or there could be some improvements? Share your thoughts in the comments section. If you enjoyed the video, then hit the like video and subscribe to our channel. We will meet you in the next video.